Important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of square root of ax plus bt. So for this type of question, technique is what? Just you put t equal to ax plus b. Then find dt by dx. So ax derivative is a, b constant 0. So we can find dx equal to what? Dt by. Now integration of ax plus b, that is t. So root under t means t to the power half. And dx is what? Dt upon a. So we know 1 by a is constant and integration of t half is what? T half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. So we can write half plus 1 plus c. So correct answer will be what? This is 1 by a, half plus 1 is what? 3 by 2. So it become 2 by 3 and t to the power 3 by 2. And this is what? Plus c. So we can write 2 upon 3a and t is what? Ax plus b, and this power is what? 3 by 2 plus c. This is our right answer. We can solve this question directly also. Ax plus b power half. So ax plus b power half plus 1, half plus 1 divide, and coefficient of x is a. So divide a, you will get the same answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of x root under 1 plus 2x squared. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you put t equal to 1 plus 2x squared. So dt by dx constant 1, 0 and 2x square is what? 2 into 2, 4. And this is 4x. So we can find value of dx. So we will get dt upon 4x. Now put the value, x is x and 1 plus 2 square is t. So t root, that is power half. And this is what? That is dx. So dx is what? Dt upon 4. So this x and x cancel. 1 by 4 is this. And t half integration is what? T to the power half plus 1 plus c. So we will get this is half, and here half plus 1, that is 3 by 2. So this will become 2 by 3 and t plus power 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 2 are 4. This is 1 by 6. T is what? 1 plus 2x square power 3 by 2 plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of 1 upon x minus root 88. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you simplify the expression. So x minus root 8. So x is what? Root x square. So we will take root x common. So we will get root x minus 1 dx. Now just put t equal to root x minus 1. So dt upon dx is what? Root x derivative is what? Nx to the power n minus 1. So we will get x to the power half. So it becomes 1 by 2 root x. And this is 1 is what? Constant. So derivative is 0. So we will get dx equal to what? 2 root x dt. Now put the value. This is 1 upon, this is root x. And this is root x minus 1 is t. So we can write 1 by t. And dx is what? 2 root x dt. So this root x is cancel out. 2 is the constant. So take outside 1 by t integration. So integration 1 by t is what? Log of t. So we can write log of t plus c. So this is 2 log. T is what? Root x minus 1. So answer is 2 log root x minus 1 plus c, our right answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of x upon root under x plus 4 dx, where x is greater than 0. So for this type of question, again same technique, put t equal to what? X plus 4. So you will get dt by d, derivative x is 1 and 4 constant is 0. So we can find dx equal to dt. Now x is x. So we can find x equal to t minus 4. So write value of x in form of t. And here root x plus 4, that is what? Root t. And this is dt. So we can write t upon root 2. So this is t power half. This is t power 1 minus half. So 1 minus half minus this is 4 by root 2. So you can say t t to the power minus half, and this is what dt. So again we will get 1 minus half is half only. So we'll get this is t half dt minus this is 4 integration of t to the power minus 2 dt. So we know t power half integration is half plus 1 divide half plus 1. So half plus 1 3 by 2. So we are writing direct 2 by 3 t power 3 by 2. And minus this is 4 t minus half. So minus half plus 1. So minus half plus 2 what? Half. So we will get half divide, so convert 2 by 1. And this is what? T power half plus c. So our correct answer will be what? 2 by 3. T is what? X plus 4. So this is x plus 4, 3 by 2 minus this is 8 root under what? X plus 4 plus c. This is our correct answer. We can take common also. Question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 5d. So for this type of question, technique is what? Here x cube minus 1. So when we take t, derivative will be 3x square. So first to convert here x cube into x square. So we will write here x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 into x cube into x square dx. Now put t equal to what? X cube minus 1. So dt by dx equal to what? 3x square, and 1 is the constant, so derivative will be 0. So dx is what? Dx equal to dt upon 3x square. So now integration x cube minus 1 is t. So this is t to the power 1 by 3. Into it is given x cube. So we can find x cube value t plus 1. So we can write here this is t plus 1. And into it is given what? That is x to the power x square dx. So this is x square and this is dt upon 3 square. So this x square will be cancelled out. Here what? 1 by 3 t power 1 by 3 into t, we will get 1 by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, right? And again here this is what? 4 upon 3. So this is t to the power 4 upon 3. Again this is plus t to the power 1 by 3 dt. So when we find integration of this number, so t power 4 by 3. So integration will be 4 by 3 plus 1 divide 4 by 3 plus 1. So 4 by 3 plus 1 how much? 7 by 3. So we will write 3 by 7 and t to the power 7 by 3. Again this is 7 divide 3. And there again t power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1 is what? 4 by 3. So it will return 3 by 4 t to the power 4 by 3, and this is what? Plus c. So now put the value of t. So this is 1 by 3 and this is what? 3 by 7. T is given x cube minus 1. So power is what? 7 by 3. Again this is 3 by 4 and t is what? X cube minus 1. Power is 4 by 3. So when we take 3 common, it will be cancelled out. So you will get 1 by 7 x cube minus 1 power 7 by 3. This is 7 by 3. And here 3, this is 1 by 4 and this is x cube minus 1. This is 4 by 3 plus c. This is our correct answer.